as in, wait, where's the bubbles? Yay! Went over there somewhere. This is baking brownies part 3, as you can see down there at the title. So, this may be the last part. I'm going to do a taste test in this video. I'm going to do a review, and, well, that's basically it. But
you can try this piece, and it's very hot. Very hot.
Okay,
blow on it.
This is the brownie. It's a sample. I'm going to be reviewing it and tasting it and seeing like how I give it. Let me take a small little sample. Tastes like fudge.
Mm-hmm.
Is it fudge?
Mm-hmm.
10 out of 10. I love it. It's even in a heart shape, kind of. Let me see. Oh yeah, it is. That's a heart. What a coincidence. It's a heart. Look, it's a heart. Little do they know, it's almost Valentine's Day, so yeah. Mom, is Valentine's Day in February?
Yeah.
I knew it. Kind of forgot when it comes. So, ha! Good.